Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 70. The continuous of poverty alleviation program topic. Now next point is 8th pointer. What is the name of the 8th point, dear children? Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. What is the name of that point? Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. According to this Yojana, the objective of this scheme is to stop the migrating people from villages to the urban area. What was the main aim of the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana? According to that Yojana, the people have to stop the migrating from the villages to the city. For this, the member of the parliament improve, and that's why what happened that the member of the parliament has to improve the education, healthcare, employment facility in the villages adopted by them in their consistency. Thus, they set up the ideal village, and that's why they have to set up the which kind of the village? They have to set up the ideal village. Ideal, it means Adarsh Grama. And other than this, to create the permanent public assets, to develop the opportunity for the good life, rural upliftment, taking care of the cultural heritage, as well as creating the opportunity for the employment through the social harmony, increase in the human development. Next, 9th one, they have to given next ki Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Which one? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. It means MNREGA, and this is the also important for the board examination. It means Mahatma Gandhi Rashtriya Gramin Rozgar Bahendhari Yojana. You have to say in Gujarat. According to that, employment oriented MNREGA program have become popular with the slogan in our village, our work along with the reasonable price. It means our work with the reasonable price. Objective of MNREGA is to enhance the livelihood of the family or adult living into the rural areas of the state, who can do the physical labor through unskilled. It means the people has worked the physically labor with unskilled, but are willing to work. For this purpose, one person from every family is a guarantee wages employment. It means from the one family they have to given the guarantee wages employment for at least how many days? For the at least 100 days of working up. It means 100 days, and per day the labor has to work for the 7 hours in the financial year. In a financial year, the government has fixed the wages set according to its pay, the daily wages. It means government have paid that wages according to the daily wages. It, after asking for the work, the government failed to provide the employment, then as per the rule of the government has to pay the unemployment allowances. Then what happened? If government not provide the work to them, then government has given them unemployment allowances. In this work, like work for the development of the village, construction of the personal toilet, personal wells, work leveling in the land lane, horticultural labor work in Indira Awas Yojana, cattle shed making organic manure, shed for the cocks and the goats, yard for drying fish, cleaning of the canals, work related to water storage, tree plantation on road are including by guaranteeing the definite wages based employment from this to every family. Government try to improve the living standard of the poor people according to this program. That government decided they have to improve the living standard of the poor people by giving the employment work of the labor for the how many days? For the 100 days. Next one, they have to given about the Mission Mangalama. Which one? Mission Mangalama. 10th one. According to the Mission Mangalam, through this program, state government has united the women from family living below the poverty line. It means What happened that here, according to this program, the woman from family living below poverty line in Sakhi Mandal or self-helping group, it means woman create group for Sakhi Mandal or self-helping group. Here they are given skill-based training. According to that program, what happened that here they have given skill-based training so that may generate the employment from themselves through household industries in circle and come out of the various cycle of the poverty by preparing the papad, pickle, agarbatti, etc. 11th one, they have to given that 11th one is Dattopant Thengdi Vyaj Sahay Yojana. It means Dattopant Thengdi Karigar Vyaj Sahay Yojana. This is the 11th one, and this is for that 100 states. Now, according to this Yojana, what happened that through this scheme, government provide loan to the artisan of the handicrafts and the handloom. It means government provide the loan to the handicraft and handloom, the cottage industry at the low rate interest to the purchase of raw material. Now, 12th one, Jyoti Gramoday Vikas Yojana. Which one? Jyoti Gramoday Vikas Yojana. According to that, objective of this plan is to provide the self-employment opportunity. According to this program, what happened that government has tried to given the providing the self-employment opportunity to the unemployed in the rural area and increase the income and set up the industry by giving them economic help, subsidy for establish the industrial plant, implementation, electricity, land, etc. With the new ideas of Startup India, government provide training, free electricity, land and economic help to the unemployed youth who are interested in setting up the industry. It means government has given so many help. Also government provide training, free electricity, land, economic help for the unemployment youth who are interested in setting up their industry. 13th one, they have to given that Bajpai Bankable Yojana. Which one? Bajpai Bankable Yojana. According to that Yojana, Bajpai Bankable Yojana, under this program, urban and rural employed of the age group of 18 to 65, it means the person, their age is 18 to 65 years, who are educated till the 4th standard are given the training up, so that they may set the industry or carry out the traditional craft. They are also given the finance to the fixed amount. They are also helping and given the finance according to the fixed amount, so that they may generate the self-employment. And that's why what happened that they have to generate the self-employment. 14th one, they have to given about Agro Business Policy 2016, Agro Based Policy Industry 2016. According to this policy, what happened that here the state government has do the export work, also they have given the agriculture food support, and also they have to establish the agriculture food processing. So according to agriculture food processing unit, near about 10 lakh people given the employment according to the Agro Business Policy 2016. And that's why we can say that because of this all the policy, we can tell that here the government has tried to decrease the poor people through what happened that here the export process of the food product, so that the poverty may be the reduced one. So dear children, what happened that here we have learned about the 14th program run by the government for the poverty alleviation program. And these all programs are the helpful for the poor people, and they have to improve their living of the standard, and government has given the more support to improve their living of standard. Thank you.